Welcome everyone, it is move-in day and we are here to show an example of how to unlock the Gemini product on your door. So first and foremost, you're gonna open the GeoKey app. You're gonna click on the account and then the device or the access point that you're wanting to open up. For this example, we'll be using the Test Gemini. So we're just going to tap the Test Gemini.
Unlocked.
And there you have it, unlocked. Now, there's two separate ways to lock this device. You can either swipe on the access point and lock it through the app,
Locked.
or we're gonna unlock it one more time.
Unlocked.
The second alternative is wake the screen up. There's a lock button on the bottom right. Hold that lock button for 2 seconds and it locks.
Locked.
So there are two ways to lock your door from the inside of your unit. First, you can manually flip the deadbolts. Otherwise, there's an option to hit this black button and that will lock it as well.